So I just received the Navycrest dash cam at no charge for the purpose of this review, and today we're going to take a look at this. I'm going to show you how to install it. I'm not going to do an actual install, but this is going to be cake. So one of the first things that you want to do is take it out of the box and see everything that you get. So you get your camera, you get your adhesive to stick it to the windshield or to stick it to your dash. You got some electromagnetic pieces of plastic right here. You got your cable clips. You've got your cigarette lighter charger. This has got to be plugged in at all times in order for it to work. And then you've also got an upholstery tool if you happen to need to pry it off of your windshield, the sticky off of your dash, or what have you. Tons of different features on here. One of the neatest things here, first off, is just the simplicity of it. Now, we're not out in the car, but I'm going to plug it in with the USB-C cable. So the first thing we're going to do is plug her in, and I'm just using a little battery pack right here to get some power to it. And so once you plug it in, it's powered on and it's ready to go. I've still got some film on the front of the camera that I'm not going to take off just because I'm not going to be installing it here. You can also see on here, it's kind of hard in the camera, but it'll track your speed. You got your miles per hour right there. It's also got your record and everything. And it's not upside down, but you would be able to flip it. You know, if you was to stick it onto your windshield, then your picture will need to flip, and that will come in. Oh, your picture flips automatically. Hey, that's all right now. That's all right. So, based on the appearance of the screen here, this is how it should be when you insert it or install it into your car. So all of the wording is upright and reads left to right. Your mount is movable so that you can get the correct direction, and you can also insert an SD card right there. There you go. You can insert an SD card for memory and for recording. Those are some of the settings that are available. Wow, you can change everything just like a regular camera. You can record your audio, your sensor, parking mode. Those are your video settings. Let's go back. You can do Wi-Fi, license plate number, zero in on a license plate number. Holy cow. Set your date and time, your screensaver, all that jazz. This is really nifty little thing here. And you know, it's small enough that it's just going to stay out of your way as well. So you got a ton of features on there. You got a good picture on there. You'll be able to transfer from your camera to your computer and put it on a bigger screen so you can see exactly what's going on. Man, I tell you what, if you're into recording your driving and what's going on around you, this little dash cam right here would be super handy to have. The only thing that I don't really like is having the cable. But you know, there's so much cable here that you can run it around the perimeter of your windshield and then down your dash into your cigarette lighter. Keep that out of the way. They give you a ton of these cable clips, and so that you can keep that cable out of your way. No interference. You got a manual here if you've got any other questions, but from this guy right here, the Navycrest A2 dash cam is one that I think would be simple to install, simple to use, and a plus for any vehicle.